In this video, I'll guide you through how to get your T-Mobile account number. Whether you're switching carriers or simply need it for your records, finding your T-Mobile account number is a straightforward process. Let's dive in and get it done together. First things first, you'll need to open the T-Mobile app on your device. If you haven't downloaded it yet, make sure to do so from your device's app store. Once you have the app, go ahead and log into your account using your T-Mobile credentials. If you're not sure of your login details, you might need to reset your password or retrieve your username. But assuming you have that ready, let's move on. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Here, look towards the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll notice an option labeled Manage. Tap on Manage, and this will take you to the account page where you can view various details about your T-Mobile account. Now, on the account page, you'll find your account details neatly displayed. This is where you want to focus your attention. Near the top section of this page, you should see an area that lists your account details. Among these details, you'll notice a section displaying your account number. It's usually accompanied by an eyeball icon right next to it. The eyeball icon is there for your privacy and security. By default, your account number is hidden to ensure that your information remains secure. To reveal your full T-Mobile account number, simply tap on this eyeball icon. And there you have it. Your complete T-Mobile account number will now be visible. This straightforward process ensures that you have easy access to your account number whenever you need it. Whether you're transferring your number to another carrier, verifying your account, or just keeping a record, having this number handy can be quite helpful. And that's how you get your T-Mobile account number. It's as simple as that. Remember, keeping your account information secure is important, so try to avoid sharing it unnecessarily. If you have any other questions or need further assistance with your T-Mobile account, don't hesitate to reach out to their customer support for additional help. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more straightforward guides like this one. Have a great day.